Namaste, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया. My name is Manisha Singh. Today I am teaching you hydrostatic equilibrium in unit operations. Discipline is food and biotechnology. Now let's start with the topic. First of all, definition of hydrostatic equilibrium. Hydrostatic balance occurs when compression due to the gravity is balanced by a pressure gradient force in the opposite direction. Hydrostatic equilibrium is the column in this column of the static fluid in this column of the static fluid is the pressure at any point in the is the same direction in this, then the pressure is also constant at any point in the same in all directions. And let cross sectional area A, pressure P, height H, height of the base is H plus dH, and pressure is P plus dP. Force is equal to pressure into area. P plus dP, area is acting downwards taken as positive, and force of gravity is acting downwards and is equal to the mass times acceleration due to the gravity is mg is equal to v rho g is equal to dh rho g taken as negative. Force Pa is acting upwards taken as negative. As the fluid element is in equilibrium, the resultant of these three forces action on it must be zero. Thus, we get the equation from the equation we get dP plus dH rho g is equal to 0. This equation 1 is the desired basic height that can be used for obtaining the pressure at any height h, and let apply it to the incompressible and compressible fluids. For incompressible fluids, density is independent of pressure, and by integrating equation 1 we get dP plus g rho dH is equal to 0, and then P plus H rho g is equal to constant. For equation 2 is clear that pressure is maximum at the base of the column or container of the fluid, and it decreases as we move up the column. If the pressure at the base of the column is P1 where H is equal to 0, and pressure at any height H above the basic is P2 such that P1 is greater than P2, then P1 minus P2 equal to H rho g. In this equation, the pressure difference in a fluid between any 2 points can be obtained by measuring the height of the vertical column of the fluid. Then compressible fluids. Compressible fluids density varies with pressure. For an ideal gas, the density is given by the relation rho is equal to Pm by RT. Pm is absolute pressure, M is molecular weight of mass, a gas, R is universal gas constant, T is absolute temperature, and putting off value of rho from equation 4 into the equation 1 is dP plus G Pm by RT dH equal to 0. By rearranging equation, we get dP by P plus Gm by RT dH equal to 0. And integrating equation 6, we get ln of P plus Gm by RT H equal to constant. Integrating the above equation, two heights H1 and H2 and pressure acting are P1 and P2, we get ln P2 by P1 equal to minus Gm H2 minus H1 by RT. And this equation is known as barometric equation. Hope you all are satisfied with this session. Thank you so much for watching this video.